Dime tu verdad, baby, dime qué estás pasando. Tú no sabes cómo estoy sufriendo, eso te lo tengo que decir. Cuéntame, tu despedida para mí fue dura. ¿Será que te llevo a la luna? Y yo no supe hacerlo así. Te estaba buscando, por la calle gritando. Eso me está matando, oh no.
Chlorella vulgaris is a single-cell green microalgae from the Chlorophyta phylum. It is green in color because it contains chlorophyll A and B that appears blue-green and yellow-green. Unlike some algae, it has no flagella. It is rich in protein, fats, and carbohydrates, making it valuable for various applications. The name chlorella is derived from the Greek word chloros, meaning green, and the Latin suffix ella, meaning small. The species name vulgaris is a Latin word meaning common. Altogether, Chlorella vulgaris translates to the common little green one. The genus Chlorella was first discovered by Martinez Bergeri in 1890. Taxonomically, it falls under the class of Trilobxyophyceae, order of Chlorialis, family of Chlorellaceae, genus of Chlorella, and species of Chlorella vulgaris. Under Robert Whittaker's 5-kingdom classification, Chlorella vulgaris falls under the Protista kingdom. Even though it is autotrophy like plants, it is still classified as a unicellular eukaryote because it lacks true roots, stems, and leaf. Did you know that Chlorella is often called the ancient superstar of microalgae? It first appeared over 2 billion years ago, making it one of the oldest known eukaryotic organisms with a true nucleus. But that's not all. Chlorella is also a chlorophyll powerhouse because just 1 gram contains more chlorophyll than any other plant, giving it that deep, vibrant green color. And here's something even more interesting. After World War II, Chlorella was considered an important food source in Japan to combat shortages. However, its cellulose-rich cell wall made it too tough to digest. So, Japan created a special research institute, and scientists finally developed a way to break down the cell wall, making the nutrients easier to absorb.
In these sections, I'll be talking about the key characteristic of Chlorella vulgaris, a unicellular green alga that's often used in biotechnology, biofuels, and nutritional supplements. Let's start with its morphology. Chlorella vulgaris has a spherical or subspherical shape, ranging in size from 2 to 10 micrometers in diameter. Despite being microscopic, it's protected by a thick cell wall, which makes it resilient in a variety of environments. Inside the cell, there's a cup-shaped chloroplast that contains both chlorophyll A and B, allowing the organism to efficiently carry out photosynthesis. It's also non-motile, meaning it does not swim around like some other algae. It depends on water current to move. Typically, Chlorella cells exist solitarily, but under some conditions they may form small clusters. Now let's look at its reproductions. Chlorella vulgaris reproduces asexually through a process called autosporulations. During this process, both the nucleus and the chloroplast divide within the mother cell. This leads to the formation of 2 to 32 autospore, though most commonly it's around 4 to 8. Once the autospore are mature, the mother cell bursts, releasing the new daughter cell into the environment. Under ideal conditions, the entire division cycle from growth to release takes about 24 hours, making it a fast replicating organism.
Hi everyone, I'm going to present my part, still in characteristic of Chlorella vulgaris. So, for nutrition, it is photoautotropic, uses sunlight, CO2, and water to make food through photosynthesis. And then it also become mixotrophic, can absorb organic carbon while photosynthesizing for faster growth. And heterotrophic, it grows in the dark using organic compound and then it's rich in protein, essential amino acid, vitamin, fatty acid, and minerals. And their habitat usually found in fresh water like pond, lake, still water. And they also live in soil moist surface. And some strains survive in extreme dryness and radiation. And they are widely grown in the cultivation tank for food, medicine, and some other industry. That's all for me. Thank you.
There are a lot of significance of using Chlorella vulgaris in our life. In the field of human health, they are useful in preventing a lot of chronic disease such as heart damage or age-related damage and many more. This is because they have a strong antioxidant and antibacterial properties. The chloroplast and cytoplasm can produce a useful compounds called flavonoids and phenolics. They are the antioxidants that are responsible to neutralize a free radical by donating their hydrogen atoms to the free radical. By doing this, they can prevent a cell become more damaged. Other than that, the compounds can bind to the metal ions to prevent a formation of reactive oxygen species, or we call it as ROS. This ROS could contribute to oxidative stress, and the oxidative stress could lead to the chronic disease. Hence why, from these compounds, we can use and convert Chlorella vulgaris into natural health supplements that are more safer to consume other than other supplements. Meanwhile, in agriculture, Chlorella vulgaris are useful in increasing plant growth because they can produce amino acids, vitamins, and phytohormones which are important to the plant growth. So they will supply a nutrient that will stimulate a seed germination, promotes root elongation, and increase shoot biomass. The plant will absorb the nutrient in the supernatant form and grow better. As the picture shown in the slide, we could see two lettuces grow differently. One by using the Chlorella vulgaris and the other one is under control but without the microbes. Clearly, we could see the lettuce that using Chlorella vulgaris grow better than the under control one. So this is a proof that Chlorella vulgaris really can stimulate a plant growth. Because of this, we can use a Chlorella vulgaris as the environmentally friendly alternative to chemical fertilizer.
Chlorella vulgaris is a type of green microalgae that plays a key role in both the environment and wastewater treatment. Through photosynthesis, it uses sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce food, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen is vital for aquatic life, helping fish and other animals breathe in lakes and ponds. By converting carbon dioxide into oxygen and biomass, Chlorella vulgaris also helps reduce greenhouse gases, making it a natural ally in the fight against climate change. Moreover, in wastewater treatment, it can absorb excess nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, which often cause pollution and harmful algal blooms. It also binds heavy metal like lead and mercury, helping to detoxify water. What makes it especially valuable is that while it cleans water, it also producing biomass that can be used for things like biofuel or animal feed. This makes Chlorella vulgaris a sustainable, eco-friendly solution for both environmental protection and industrial use.
Now, we have come to the end. In this part, we are going to focus on the commercialized products and processes of Chlorella vulgaris. Firstly, Chlorella vulgaris is widely used in the food and supplement industry. It is available in the form of powders, tablets, and capsules, and also added into various foods such as cookies, pasta, snacks, and drinks. These products are highly nutritious as Chlorella is rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For example, adding Chlorella powder into cookies not only gives them a natural green color, but it also enhances their health benefits. Next, Chlorella vulgaris also shows a great potential in healthcare and pharmaceuticals. It contains bioactive compounds such as carotenoids, peptides, polysaccharides, and it has been reported to show as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic effects. Because of this, researchers are exploring its use in natural supplements and functional medicines to support human health. While in the cosmetic industry, Chlorella extract is commonly added into moisturizers and serums. It helps protect the skin from UV radiation, pollution, and oxidative stress. The same compounds that help the algae survive harsh environments also work to repair and strengthen the skin barrier, making it a popular ingredient in anti-aging products. So finally, while in aquaculture fields, Chlorella vulgaris is also used to promote the growth and immunity of fish such as carp, tilapia, and trout. It can replace fish meal in aquafeed and improve meat quality and pigmentation. Studies show that Chlorella also can stimulate the immune system by increasing white blood cell activity and cytokine production, which helps fish to resist disease. In conclusion, Chlorella vulgaris is not just a common microalgae. Its wide applications in food, aquaculture, cosmetics, and healthcare prove that it is powerful and sustainable resource. With further research and development, it has the potential to benefit both the environment and for human well-being. I think that's all from us. Thank you.